cycle. So why we are getting positive and negative half cycle is nothing but every time, every half cycle, the conductor position is changes. So if you are rotating after 180 degrees, the colors will be changes. So for easy understanding, we are placing as a red color and blue color. After every 180 degrees, the positions will be changes. For example, we are assuming it will be 0, then reaches to 90 degrees. Then where is the position? At 180 degrees, the red color will be come to in this place, south side. So the blue color will be comes to in the north side. So means every 180 degrees, the position of the coil will be changes. So because of that reason, the electrical current produced by means of the conductor also reversal for every half cycle. So because of that reason, we are getting one positive half cycle and one negative half cycle. Right? So that is we are called as a cycle. One complete set of positive and negative half cycles or alternating quantities we are known as cycle. So one half cycle we are called as a alternation. One half cycle just we are called as a alternation. For example, we are taking a one positive half cycle. So this area will be we are called as a alternation. So similarly, for here if we are consider negative half cycle, so the area occupied by means of the wave. So this blue color area all will be called as a alternation. So this is about the concept of cycle. First we see about the how the alternating current will be produced. Secondly, what is the structure of AC waveform. Next, third we discuss about what is the cycle and a half cycle. So these are the important things. So next, these are all questions are important for 1 mark and 3 mark. So most of the cases are asked about what is the definition of cycle, what is the definition of instant value, and what is we are called as a waveform, what is we are called as a time period, define the frequency, define the amplitude. So these things repeatedly asked in the examination point of view. So let me discuss about that. So maybe not ask about the explain the construction and working of a generator to produce alternating current. It may be not come from the examination, but these are the important things. Cycle is nothing but one set of positive and negative half cycle we can define as a cycle. One half cycle we are called as a alternation. Next, what is we are called as a instantaneous values. Instantaneous values is nothing but the value of alternating quantity at a particular instant. At a particular instant is known as its instantaneous value. So for example, this is a sine wave. So we are taking the one half cycle. So we are taking the positive half cycle. For example, we are splitted into several parts. So what we do here, we are splitted into several parts from V1 to V12. సో మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి సైన్ వేవ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మనము 12 పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేసి సో ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఎట్ దిస్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ వీఆర్ అజ్యూమింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6 up to the V12. So the value of V1 is not same as V2. The value of V2 is not same as V3. So similarly, even here reaches to the V12 or V11 also, the value is not same. V1 is different, V11 is different, but V0 and V12 is the same because it is start from 0, it will be end at the instant of 0 degrees. So at the two instants only the values are same. So that is we are called as a instant values. At a particular instant, it may be V1, V2, V3 up to the V11. What if the value is offered by means of the wave, that is we are called as a instantaneous values. It may be applicable for the current also. Instead of we are taking as a I1, I2, I3, I4, I6 up to the I11. So up to the I11 we are considering. So that is also we are called as a instantaneous values. It is a value of alternating quantity at a particular instant of time is known as a instantaneous values. So generally waveform there is a A definition will be there. A graph of instantaneous values of an alternating quantity plotted against time period we are called as a waveform. ఒకవేళ మనము నోట్ చేసినటువంటి ఈ ఇన్స్టంటేనియస్ వాల్యూస్ ని అన్ని మనం ప్రాపర్ గా డ్రా చేస్తే, right? So in a proper position we are placing with respect to the time period, and x-axis we are taking as a time and the y-axis we are taking as a magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but it may be voltage or the current. It may be voltage or current. So that will be decided the wave. Wave is nothing but alternatingly. So the current will be flowing with help of a instantaneous values. So that is we are called as a waveform. So it is another important thing, waveform. But mostly ask about what is the instantaneous values. Simply we can understand we are taking a positive half cycle. We are split it into a small parts according to our requirement. So in this graph we are being split into the 12 parts. So we are indicating that each part having a magnitude of different. So V1, V2, V3. So like that we are indicating up to the V12. So the value of voltage or current at instant we are called as a alternating values. Then instantaneous values, that is we are called as a instantaneous values. So this area gives the 1 voltage. So this area will be give the 1 voltage. So means at that instant, for example, it is a 1 second, it is a 2 seconds, it is a 3 seconds. So with respect to the time period also, we can explain about the instant values. At t is equal to 1 second, the value is V1. At t is equal to 2 seconds, the value is V2. At t is equal to 3, the value is V3. Means the instant of a time, what is the value is available of voltage or current. So that is we are called as a instantaneous values. Next, time period. So time period is nothing but the time taken by an alternating quantity to complete one cycle. One cycle is we are called as a time period. So here to complete one set of half cycle and one set of positive half cycle and negative half cycle. What is the time is required? What is the time is required? That is will be called as a time period. Just we are assuming, for example, within 1 second, one cycle is completed. So that is we are called as a time period. Within 1 second, if the waveform is completed, one positive half cycle and one negative half cycle, that will be we are called as a time period. It may be 1 second, 2 seconds, or less than the 1 second also. It is depending upon the type of generators, right? So that is we are called as a time period. Next, frequency. Frequency simply we can define as the number of cycles per second. Number of cycles per a given time. So or per second, that is we are known as frequency. So within 1 second, how many cycles is completed? So that is we are called as a frequency. So frequency have the formula F is equal to 1 by T. F is the frequency, T is the time period. So generally it is denoted by means of small f for the capital H, and it is F. It is measured in hertz. Okay, frequency is measured in the hertz. Units are the hertz. Next, amplitude. What we are amplitude is nothing but the maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during half cycle. So this is we are called as a maximum value. So here this is we are called as a maximum value. Then that is represented by, if it is voltage, represented with the EM. If it is current, we are represented with the IM. Or sometimes instead of E, we can write as a VM also. VM, EM or IM. So whatever representation like this. Amplitude is nothing but the maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during half cycle. During half cycle only. So that is we are called as an amplitude. So these are the different formulas you can write for the EMF equation. So whenever the current will be produced or EMF will be induced in a generator, so these 4 formulas will be we are used. So EM sin theta, one formula, instead of theta we can write as a omega t, and at the same time we are using the omega, instead of omega we can write as a 2 pi f, and finally we are instead of with respect to the time period, so 2 pi f by t. Right, Sriram, what is good?
So can you explain the amplitude one more time?
Amplitude, right. Simple. Amplitude is nothing but maximum value attained by alternating quantity. So for example, this is we are taking as a waveform. Right? So where it will be start? It will be start from 0. So it will be start from 0 and reaches to the highest point. So this is the highest point. After that, it will be starts decreasing. Up to V6, the voltage value is in the increasing order. But after V6, it will be decreasing. So this is position will be we are called as an amplitude. Also we are called as a peak value. Peak value is nothing but ఇంకా ఈ వాల్యూ కంటే ఎగ్జిట్ అయి వెళ్ళడానికి లేదు, పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. ఈ V6 తర్వాత ఇంకా ఎక్కువ హైయెస్ట్ వెళ్ళడానికి ఉందా? లేదు. అది V7 అయినా కానీ ఈ వోల్టేజ్ కంటే ఏమవుతుంది, కరెంట్ కంటే రెడ్యూస్ అయ్యి వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ assuming as 10 volts. It may be 9 volts, 8 volts, so whatever it may be. Right? So for example, it is a maximum 10 volts is a maximum we are assuming. So at V5 also it is not the 10. At V7 also it is not exactly the 10. So the value is changes. So which one is the highest value in the half wave? So we are in the half cycle, that is will be we are called as a amplitude. Then peak value amplitude or peak value or maximum value. So whatever the formation is given. So peak value is the maximum value and the amplitude. So the three words are same for this waveform. Yeah? So that is about the amplitude. Other definition of the question: the maximum value attained by an alternating quantity during half cycle. So we are defined with respect to the half cycle. So that is denoted by means of EM, VM or IM. So these are the formulas. These are the formulas for EMF. So these are helpful for solving the